Meaning of dueling.
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 Dueling. Dueling refers to a form of combat between two individuals, usually with swords or guns, that is fought to defend one's honor or reputation. In most cases, the duelists agreed upon the rules and location of the fight beforehand. The result of a duel can vary greatly depending on the skill and luck of the combatants. At best, one could emerge victorious with their honor intact. At worst, one could be gravely injured or killed, leading to legal repercussions for the surviving duelist. Dueling has largely fallen out of favor in modern society.